Hey guys, you're watching my YouTube channel TechFox, where you can find lot of tip, tricks and hacks. In today's video, I will show you how you can create your own Apple badge. You can try it, and can tag me on Instagram at below link. Secondly, if you are new at my channel, press below subscribe button to get notification of upcoming videos. Before getting into it, make sure this will only work on iOS 13 and iOS 14. So the first thing you have to do is head over to Settings. You have to scroll down until you find the shortcuts. You have to click on Allow Untrusted Shortcuts and click Allow. It won't ask you for your passcode. Enter it and this will allow us to install the shortcut. That allows us to create these really cool badges. So we're gonna head over to the Notes application and create a brand new note. You can select any emoji and click on Done. You have to 3D touch or long press and click on Share, and then scroll down and you'll find the shortcut down here for Apple Store Emoji Badge. Click on it. It'll open the actual shortcut. Then you can type in your name. So I'm going to go ahead and type TechFox. Click Done, and then you're going to choose a color. So we're going to go with the color orange on this one, and that's pretty much. It will save it to the camera. Also save image here, and when we go to the camera roll we can find the new badge right there. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in next video.